Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy. Out of my mind, out of my mind. Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times, too many times. My love, he makes me feel like nobody else, nobody else. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself, one, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in, you'll have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning, and if you run him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I count 'em. I gotta tell 'em to myself. I got no rules, I count 'em. I gotta tell 'em to myself. I keep pushing forwards, but he keeps pulling me backwards. Nowhere to turn, nowhere to turn. No. Now I'm standing back from it, I finally see the pattern. I never learned. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I tell myself, I do. One, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in, you'll have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning, and if you run him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I count 'em. I gotta tell 'em to myself. I got no rules, I count 'em. I gotta tell 'em to myself. Practice makes perfect, I'm still trying to learn it by heart. Eat, sleep and breathe it, rehearse and repeat it, cause one, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in, you'll have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning, and if you run him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I count 'em. I gotta tell 'em to myself. I got no rules, I count 'em. I gotta tell 'em to myself. Don't let him in, don't be his friend, don't be his friend. Don't let him in, don't let him in. Don't be his friend, don't be his friend. You're getting over him. My lover's got humor. She's a giggle at a funeral. Knows everybody's disapproval. I should have worshipped her sooner. If the heavens ever did speak, she's the last true mouthpiece. Every Sunday's getting more bleak. A fresh poison each week. We were born sick, you heard them say it. A church offers no absolutes. She tells me worship in the bedroom. The only heaven I'll be sent to is when I'm alone with you. I was born sick, but I love it. Command me to be well. Hey, amen. 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 Take me to church, I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins and you can shop in the night. Offer me that did instead, good God, let me give you my life. Take me to church, I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins and you can shop in the night. Offer me that did instead, good God, let me give you my life. If I'm back in all the good times, my lover's the sunlight to keep the goddess on my side. She demands a sacrifice. Drain the whole sea, something shiny, something meaty for the main course. Not to find looking high horse. What you got in the stable? Leave a lot of starving faithful. That looks tasty, that looks plenty. This is hungry work. Take me to church, I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your light. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that did instead, good God, let me give you my life. Take me to church, I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your light. I'll tell you my sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that did instead, good God, let me give you my life. Oh, Ash, my dear, it's been a difficult year, and terrorists don't prey on innocent victims. Trust me, darling, trust me, darling. It's been a loveless year. I'm a girl of three fears: integrity, faith, and crocodile tears. Trust me, darling, trust me, darling. So look me in the eyes, tell me what you see. Perfect paradise, tearing at the seams. I wish I could escape. I don't wanna fake. Wish I could erase, make your heart believe, but I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know, now you know that I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know you're free to go. Did all my dreams never mean one thing? Does happiness lie in a diamond ring? Oh, I've been asking, oh, I've been asking for problems, problems, problems. I wage my war on the world inside. I take my gun to the enemy's side. Oh, I've been asking for, oh, I've been asking for problems, problems, problems. So look me in the eyes, tell me what you see. Perfect paradise, tearing at the seams. I wish I could escape. I don't wanna fake. Wish I could erase, make your heart believe, but I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know, now you know that I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know you're free to go. I can't breathe, I can't be, I can't be what you want me to be.
Hello, my students. You are staying with grade 9 English medium class. So today is the first model paper, right? Model paper discussion class. So I'm going to discuss the first term model paper with you, right? And in order to revise, you revise all the subject matters that you have learned regarding the first term. Okay, so I know there are so many new students here as well, and I will be explaining about my classes as well when meanwhile I'm doing the seminar. Turn on the chat. I just want to know that how are you, Puta? How was Urdu? Hmm? Was it good? Was it bad? What? Okay. Was great. All right. For me, okay. Just normal. All right. Okay. Turn on the chat. And also, I just want to say that in the month of April, I have sent the tutorial to number 4 and also the model paper to your home. So all my new students, you have to understand that in our class, our tutorials and papers, all the things, they will be delivered to your home free of charge in each and every month. So in the month of April, I have sent give me the tutor and the paper in order to show for the new students. And also the special thing is, Puta, because of this is Aurdu season, this is Aurdu month, no? Because of that, maybe for some students, the tute might be tute late pendadi, right? But from the next month onwards, that is not a problem because we are going to start to send the next month tutorial from the 20th. Hari, ඒ කියන්නේ මේ මාසේ 20th වල ඊළඟ මාසේ tute එක වන්න start කරනවා අපි. හරි. ඒ 20th කියන්නේ අද 20th නේ හෙට ඉඳන් ඒ වෙනවා දැන් අද Sunday නේ Sunday class නේ. Right. Okay. So this is the tutorial and this is the paper that I have sent tute number 4. Where's that? It's okay. Just give me the single medium. Just I just want to show them. Right. So each and then මේක නම් මේ grade 9 single medium එක. English medium මෙතන නැහැ පල්ලෙහාදී. So each and every month we will be receiving a tutorial and also them, especially for the April month you're up to the term test, no? So the term test paper and the tute to your home free of charge, right? Each and every month. And also I just want to say that, so it's a good time to start the paper discussion. So I hope that you have already tried to do the paper, and so it will be a great paper discussion for you if you have already tried it. But if you could not do that, but it's okay, right? Let's go to the first term test, grade 9, right? First paper, okay? Part 1. Let's go for the part 1. Okay, let's see. The first question is, write next two terms of the number sequence 20, 24, 28. So here, by referring to the number sequence, you can come up with a pattern. What is the pattern here? The first term is 20 and the second term is 24, then 28. So you can understand second term comes by adding 4 to the previous term, right? So what would be the next term, right? Next term would be 28 plus 4, right? The next term would be 28 plus 4, that is 32. What about the next term? 32 plus 4, 36. So the next two terms of this number sequence would be 32 and 36. So this is the answer. So it is a very easy question, right? So by referring to the number sequence here, you can understand the first term 20, second term comes by adding 4 to the previous term, right? Adding 4 to the previous term, right? So the next term would be 28 plus 4 and after term would be 32 plus 4, that is 36. Okay. All right. So you can understand. It's a very easy question. Right. We shall go to the second question. Simplify. So here you have to simplify. Here you have to add two fractions. When there is an addition or a subtraction in fractions, you have to refer for the denominators there. You can understand here denominator is 4, here denominator is 2. So the denominators are different. Because of that, you have to go for a common denominator. I have taught you when you go for a common denominator, it is better to get the least common multiple of the denominators. But here, actually, here you can understand 2 is a factor of 4. Sorry, 2 is a factor of 4. Because of that, 4 is the least common multiple of these two terms. Right? What do you mean by the least common multiple of 4 and 2? හතරෙනුයි දෙකෙනුයි දෙන්නගෙන්ම බෙදෙන කුඩාම සංඛ්‍යාව. If it is a factor, so 4 would be the least common multiple. So I can take the 4 as the common denominator. So here it is 1 over 4, right? Here. So I need to convert this to, right? I need to convert this 2 to 4. So I need to multiply that 2 by 2. If you multiply the denominator by 2, you need to multiply the numerator by 2 as well in order to take the equivalent fraction. So here 1 over 4 plus 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 2 over 4. Now the denominators are same, right? Now I can simplify the numerators at once. So the answer is 2 over 4. But here, by referring to this fraction 2 over 4, you can understand that I can simplify more. I mean, I can take, this is not the simplest version of this fraction. May fraction එක simplest fraction එක මේක නෙමෙයි. Why is that? Because there is a common factor with the numerator and denominator, right? I can divide both the numerator and denominator by 2, right? If you divide 2 by 2, it is 1. If you divide 4, if you divide this 2 by 2, you have to divide this 4 by 2, it is 2. Right? Or else you can say, how many 2's? 1. How many 2's? 2. So answer is 1 over 2. Right? Turn on the chat. Put a heart to the chat if you can understand this duty. Three over 4. Where's that? Yeah, sorry. 3 over 4. Yeah. It was my mistake. Forgive me. Forgive me, my children. 3 over 4, right? Yeah. Put a heart in the chat if you can understand this. I'm a new student. Okay, you're welcome to our class. All right. All right. Just don't worry about the markings, right? Just revise all the things that we have learned so far. Okay. Turn off the chat. So how to mark the second math? What do you mean? All right. Meanwhile, I'm doing the discussion. I can suggest you to raise your hand if you have a problem, Putahari. Don't raise your hand for no reason, because you are very wise students, or you are English medium students, right? You are grade 9 students now. You are not children remain there. Okay. Huh? All right. Children තමයි. පොඩිම අය නෙමෙයි. පොඩිම අය තමයි නේ. හරි. Okay. Okay. Shall we go to the third question? We shall go to the third question. So here you can understand 4, 2. 2 is a factor of 4. So I can convert this 2 to the 4. In order to convert this 2 to the 4, I need to multiply this 2 by 4. If you multiply 2 by 4, 2 by 2, it is 4. Then you have to multiply this 1 by 2, it is 2. Right? So the equivalent fraction 1 over 2, I can write as 2 over 4. So now the new denominators are same. So it is 1 plus 2, 3 over 4. It's a very easy question. Okay. AB is a straight line. It says that AB is a straight line. You need to find the value of x. If AB is a straight line. If AB is a straight line, so you have to understand that this is a straight angle. Straight angle means 180 degree. If this is a straight angle, this is a straight line, this is a straight angle. Straight angle means 180. So x plus 80 plus x is 180. So I can say x plus 80 plus x is 180. So here x plus x, it is 2x. So 2x plus 80 is equal to 180. Now I need to make x as the subject. In order to make x as the subject, at first I need to eliminate this 80. In order to eliminate this 80 from this side, I subtract 80. If you subtract something from one side of an equation, you have to subtract that thing from other side of the equation as well according to the axioms. You already know that. So here 80 cancels off. 80 minus 80 is 0. 2x plus 0, it is 2x. So 2x is equal to 100. 180 minus 80, 100. I need to make x as a subject. So this 2 is a problem. This. I need to eliminate this 2. In order to eliminate this 2, I have to divide this side by 2. If you divide one side of an equation by 2, you have to divide the other side of the equation by 2 as well. So the answer is 50. So x is 50 degrees. So x is 50 degrees. Right? Turn on the chat, cut to the board, put a heart to the chat if you can understand. Do you have any problems? All right. Inform that to the class coordinator. Janidu, because it might be because of this Aurudu season, but from next month onwards, that would not be a problem, okay? Okay. Now, Damsit, we are going according to the lesson, sorry. අපි නතර කරපු තැන ඉඳලා තමයි යන්නේ. හරි. Okay, Sadev, just inform that to the class coordinator, okay? Right, okay, turn off the chat. Russian, now you might have some signal problem, I guess. Sanugi received the grade 6 paper. Sadev, me? Okay. Let's go for the next problem. Let's go for the next problem. Mother. Right here, you have to find the factors of here. You have to find the factors of here. xa plus 5x plus 6a plus 30. So here you can understand when I consider about these two terms, x is a common factor. So I can take x out. If I take x out, here a plus 5, right? xa plus 5x. And here I can take plus 6 out. A plus 5. So x plus, then now here by referring to these two terms, you can see a plus 5 is a common term. I shall take a plus 5 out. If I take a plus 5 out, here x, here plus 6. So I have factorized this a plus 5 into x plus 6. Here x is a common term, I take it out, so a plus x into a plus 5. I take plus 6 outside, here a plus 5. Now a plus 5 is a common term, I take that out, x here plus 6 here. Turn on the chat, can you understand? Turn on the chat, can you understand today? Yeah. Okay, turn off the chat. We shall go to the next question. Write as a decimal number. So here there is a binary number. I need to convert this binary number to a decimal number. Right. So 1, 1, 1. What is this, Buddha? This is 2 to the power zeros. How many 2 to the power zeros? 1 2 to the power zeros. 2 to the power 0 mean 1. ඕනම number එක 0th power එක 1 පුතා. So 1 into 1 it is 1. What is this position? 2 to the power 1s. How many 2 to the power 1s? 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. So 2 into 1, it is 2. What is this position? 2 to the power 3s. How many 2 to the power 3 is? 1. 2 to the power 3 is 8. So 8 into 1, it is 8. Take the sum of these values. It is 11. It is 11. So this is equal. Sorry. Base is 10, right? Turn on the chat. Cut to the board. Can you understand this? Can you revise the things that you have learned regarding the binary numbers from here? Isn't it 7? Where? 2 to the power 1. Yeah. Hey, sorry. Here 2 to the power 2, right? Yeah. Sorry. 2 to the power 2. How many 2 to the power 2 is 1? So 4 into 1. It is 4. So the answer is 7. But how to the chat if you can understand this? So how to the chat if you can understand this? Right? The lesson binary numbers. All right. Turn off the chat. Russian, what did you do when what the lesson එක කරන මොනවද කරේ? නිදාගත්තද? හරි. මේක මේ base 2 දැන් මේක binary number එකක්. දැන් අපි ගත්තොත් normally decimal numbers in for example 237 normally decimal number, so here it is ones place. Ones place mean 10 to the power zeros. මේ 10 to the power ones මේ tens place. මේ 10 to the power twos hundreds place. ඒ වගේ මේකේ 2 to the power 0 here. Here 2 to the power ones, 2 to the power twos. Right. 7 is the answer. All right. When x equal 2 and y equal 5, find the value of y minus 2x. So here it is regarding the substitution of values for algebraic function, algebraic expressions. So here when x equal to and y equal 5, right? You need to find y minus 2x, right? Now you need to substitute x equal 2 and y equal 5. ඒ කියන්නේ y තියෙන තැනට පහ දාන්න x තියෙන තැනට දෙක දාන්න කියලා කියන්නේ. So y is 5 minus 2 into x, no? X is 2. So instead of x, I put 2. Instead of y, I put 5. So the answer is 5. 2 into 2, it is 4. 5 minus 4, answer is 1. Right? You have to substitute x equal 2 and y equal 5 for this algebraic expression. Y minus 2x, instead of y, put 5. Minus 2, instead of x, put 2. Right? So 5 minus 4, the answer is 1. Put yes in the chat if you can understand. All right. Turn off the show. We shall go to the next problem. Expand and simplify. Okay. 5 times x minus 3 plus 2x. I need to expand this. So I need to remove the brackets here. 5 into x, it is 5x. 5 into minus 3. Then with an plus in plus into my sign conversions. Plus into plus, it is plus. Minus into minus, it is plus. If you multiply same signs, it is plus. Plus into minus, it is minus. Minus into plus, it is minus. If you multiply different signs, it is minus. Hurry. So here it is plus up plus into plus plus 5x. Okay. Plus into minus minus 5 into 3 15. Here there is 2x. Hurry. Then මේ පද දෙක මාරු කරලා ලියමු අපි. Then minus belongs to 15, this plus belongs to 2x, and here 5x. හරි මේ දෙක switch කරලා ලියනවා plus 2x minus 15 මෙතනින් ලියනවා. So 7x minus 15 is the answer. 5x plus 2x, 7x minus 15 is the answer. Can you understand? Okay. Okay, පුතා මේ I have a announcement to make for you guys. Some students, they have received the wrong paper, I guess. Put your information to the Q&A. Your name and your WhatsApp number. Okay, your name and WhatsApp number. Okay, to the Q&A for those of the students who got the wrong paper. Only them. Imesh, what's the problem, Imesh? First term test paper da me discuss kara. All right, we shall go to the 8th question. Factorize. Here you have to factorize. Pudha, can you remember when I was talking about the factorization, factors and multiples? Can you remember this? A squared minus b squared, I can write it as a minus b into a plus b. Sorry. වර්ග දෙකක අන්තරය. Subtraction of squares. හරි. If a squared minus b squared, I can write it as a minus b into a plus b. So here, 4x squared minus 1. So this 4x squared, I can write it as, the 4 කියන එක 2 to the power 2. Here x to the power 2 minus 1. So 2 to the power 2 into x to the power 2, I can write like this. 1, I can write 1 square. 1 square with 1 නේ. අන්න බලන්න. Subtraction of 2 squares. So I can factorize like this. දැන් මෙන්න මේක මම පොඩ්ඩක් නැවත කියන්නම් පුතේ. දැන් a into b, it's mth power, I can write it as a to the power m into b to the power m. හරි. හරි. Power of a product, I can write it as product of powers. හරිද? So here I can write this as this, according to this. දැන් මේක ෂුවර් නැති කට්ටිය ඕන බලන්නකො හරි. 2 into 3. හරි. It's second power කියලා ගමුකෝ අපි. හරි. So 2 into 3, it is 6 no. So 6 to the power 2 no. 6 to the power 2, 36. Okay, just tell me what is the value 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2, it is 4. 3 to the power 2, it is 9. So it is also 36. So you can understand 2 to the power 3, its second power, I can write it as 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. මේ power එක මේ දෙන්නටම අයිති කියලා හිතන්න පුළුවන්. මේක තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ. එහෙනම් 4x squared 2 to the power 2 into x to the power 2. I can write it as 2x to the power 2 minus 1, I can write 1 to the power 2. 1 into 1 1 no. අන්න මේ a squared minus b squared, I can write a minus b into a plus b. හරි. එහෙනම් මේ බලන්න මෙයා තමයි a squared minus b squared. ඒතර 1 තමයි b වගේ. a කියන්නේ 2x වගේ. b කියන්නේ 1 වගේ. හරි. So a minus b 2x minus 1. a plus b 2x plus 1. So now I have factorized this. 2x minus 1 into 2x plus 1. Turn on the chat. Can you understand? Anuti Atapattu. Turn on the mic for her. Uma cannot. Hello. Oh, Anuti, what is the problem? Turn on the mic, Pute. Choti kiyan.
Sir, I can't understand it, sir.
Puta, if it is make that now the subtraction of 2 squares, a squared minus b squared, I can write a minus b into a plus b. Do you know that?
Yes.
So 4x squared කියන එක 2 to the power 2 into x to the power 2 කියලා ලියන්න බැරිද?
පුළුවන්.
එහෙනම් ඒක 2x ගේ second power එක කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕන නේද මේකට අනුව මේ a into b ගේ m power එක මේ a to the power m into b to the power m කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් ඒතර a to the power m into b to the power m තියෙනවා නම් එයා a into b එයාගේ m power එක කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. එහෙනම් 2 to the power 2 x to the power 2 ඉන්නවා නම් 2x ගේ second power එක කියලා ලියන්න බැරිද?
පුළුවන්.
1 කියන්නේ 1 squared කියලා ලියන්න පුළුවන්. 1 into 1 1 නේ.
ආ.
එහෙනම් මම නිකන් තේරෙන භාෂාවකින් කියන්නේ මේ බලන්න. අපි මේ a බම්බුව කියලා හිතමු b සෙම්බුව කියලා හිතමු. බම්බුවේ වර්ගය ඍණ සෙම්බුවේ වර්ගය සමානයි බම්බුව ඍණ සෙම්බුව වරක් බම්බුව ධන සෙම්බුව. එහෙනම් මේකේ මේ බම්බුවේ වර්ගය ඍණ සෙම්බුවේ වර්ගය එහෙනම් බම්බුව ඍණ සෙම්බුව වරක් බම්බුව ධන සෙම්බුව. දැන්වත් තේරුණාද?
ඔව්.
හරිද?
හරි.
එහෙම කියන්න ඕනනේ.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Let's go. What is the reciprocal of 1 and 3 over 5? This is a mixed number ne puta. Mixed number, I need to convert the mixed number to the improper fraction. How to convert the mixed number to the improper fraction? 3/5. How to convert this? Multiply the denominator by the whole number part, whole number, and add the numerator and put the denominator here. 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 3, it is 8. So 8/5. So you should have the capability to convert a mixed number to its improper fraction. And also, if there is an improper fraction, you need to convert, you need able to convert this improper fraction to its mixed number as well. How to do that? What do you mean by improper fraction? Numerator is greater than denominator. Such fractions are improper fractions. Improper fractions, I can write it as mixed numbers. Sorry. කොහොමද කරන්නේ? 8 divide by 5. 8 divide by 5. How many 5s for 8? 1. 5 into 1? 5. What is the remainder? 3. So this is the quotient. අපි කියනවා මේකට quotient කියලා. This is the remainder. This is the remainder. So quotient is the whole number part. Remainder is the numerator. Denominator is 5. එහෙනම් මෙහෙම තිබුණොත් මෙයා බවට කන්වර්ට් කරන්නත් පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. මෙයා මෙහෙම තිබුණොත් මෙයා බවට කන්වර්ට් කරන්නත් පුළුවන් වෙන්න ඕනේ. හරි? question එකෙන් පරිබාහිරව කියලා දුන්නේ. හරි. So okay. So I can write this as 8/5. හරි. එහෙනම් මෙයාගේ reciprocal එක මොකද්ද? මෙයාගේ reciprocal එක. reciprocal කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? reciprocal කියන්නේ numerator denominator change කරපුවාම එන එක. ඒක shift කරනවා. You have to shift the numerator and denominator. Reciprocal of 8/5 is 5/8. මෙයාගේ reciprocal එක මෙයා. මෙයාගේ reciprocal එක මෙයා. මෙයාගේ reciprocal එක අපෙන් අහන්නේ. So 5/8 is the answer. Turn on the chat. Can you understand? Sir, what is the date of our school term test will be held? යනිදු අහන ප්‍රශ්න බලන්නකො පුතේ. දැන් පුතාගේ ඉස්කෝලේ term test එක තියෙන දවස මම දන්නේ කොහොමද මගේ පුතේ? චෝටි බාබු. ඔයා ඒක ඉස්කෝලෙන් අහන්න එපා චෝටි බාබු. Rashin, don't disturb the class, sorry. Study, hurry. Do you studies properly? වැඩේ කරන්න දැන් මේ උගන්වනකොට ඒක අවධානයෙන් ඉන්න ඕන. හරි. අහගන්න. Okay, there is a addition of two binary numbers. Turn off the chat, turn off the chat. Okay, binary numbers. So here 101 to the base 2 plus 101 to the base 2. So 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. මොකද්ද 1 plus 1 පුතේ? 1 0. හරි. 1 plus 1 1 0. So here put 0. Put 1 to here. 1 plus 0 plus 0, it is 1. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. So this is the answer. මේ පාඩම දැන් මෙතන උගන්වන්න බෑ. මේ පාඩම ඉගෙනගෙන තියෙනවා. මේ කරන්නේ රිවිෂන් එක. for the term test. නැතුව මේ එහෙනම් ඉතින් මුකුත් ඉගෙන ගන්න නැතුව අන්තිම දවසේ පේපර් එකක් විතරක් කරලා එක්සෑම් එකට යන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්න බෑ. එහෙම වෙන්න බෑ. එහෙනම් නේද? ෆස්ට් ටර්ම් එක හොඳට නිදා ගන්න හැමදාම හොඳට නිදාගෙන විභාගයට කලින් දවසේ පේපර් එකක් කරලා යන්න. එහෙම යන්න බෑ. turn on the chat. Have a So 1 plus 1 it is 1 0. So put 0 here, put up 1 here. So 1, 1 plus 1, 1 0. A discount of 15% is given where the selling a novel with a market price of 800 rupees. Find the discount in rupees. You need to find the discount. You need to find the discount. So what is the percentage? 15% discount. Again, if the price is 100, you are given 15 rupees discount. Again, මිල 100 නම් 15ක් discount එකක් හම්බ. 100කට නම් 15ක් discount. Per 100 it is 15 rupees discount. So how much it is for 800? මෙච්චරකට අච්චර නම් මෙච්චරකට කොච්චර? You need to multiply 15 by 8. 8 into 5, 40. Put 0 here, 4 remaining. 8 into 1, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So discount is 120 rupees. Now the chat, can you understand? Yeah, Chanunga Ekanayaka. It's neither. There are so many students from different schools, you know. Okay, sure. Okay, we shall go to the 12th question. We shall go to the 12th question. Okay, you need to solve this. You need to solve this, Mother. Solve means what? You need to find the unknown term in this equation. Unknown term is x or the algebraic term. Okay, x ni. So I need to make x as a subject. In order to make x as a subject, this minus 1 is a disturbance, right? So I need to eliminate this minus 1. In order to eliminate this minus 1, I add 1 to this side. If you add something to one side of an equation, you have to add the same thing to the other side of the equation. Minus 1, in order to eliminate this minus 1, I have added 1 to this side. If you add 1 to this side, you have to add 1 to other side as well, according to the axioms. Right. So 5x is equal 10. I need to make x as a subject. In order to make x as the subject, this 5 is a disturbance, no? So I need to eliminate this 5. In order to eliminate this 5, I divide this side by 5. If you divide this side by 5, you have to divide this side by 5 as well. So x is 10 over 5, it is 2. 10 divided by 5, it is 2. So x is equal to 2. Turn on the chat, can you understand? Turn off the chat. Let's go to the next problem. Thirteenth problem. An article is bought for 600 rupees and sells it for 750 rupees. Okay, what is the profit? 600ට අරගෙන 750ට දෙනවා. So what is the profit? There is a profit, right? So what is the profit? 750 minus 600. 750 minus 600, it is 150. So the profit is 150 rupees. What is the profit percentage? Again, is if you invest 100 rupees, what is your profit? Profit percentage. So what is the profit percentage? Profit percentage. Okay, how much he have invested? He has invested 600 rupees invested. What is the profit? 150. He has invested 600. 600ක් ආයෝජනය කරපුවාම 150ක් ලාභයි. එහෙනම් 100ක් ආයෝජනය කරාම කොච්චරක් ලාභද? හරි. 600ට 150 නම් 100ට කීයද? අන්න percentage. Right? $150 divided by 6 නේ. දැන් මේ දෙන්නම 3ෙන් බෙදෙනවා. මෙයා 3ෙන් බෙදනවා 50. මෙයා 3ෙන් බෙදනවා 2යි. 2. 50 divided by 2, it is 25. So the profit percentage is 25. හරි ඒක එක විදිහට simplify කරලා ගන්න පුළුවන්. දැන් 100 මෙහෙම ගන්නම්. 150 over 600 into 100% no. හරි. How many 150s for 600? 4. 25. Can you understand? Can you understand, Buddha? Turn off the chat. Okay, for the new students, I need to make some announcements for the newbies. So this is the timetable of our class. Our live class is on Sunday, 8:30 p.m. If you miss the live class, you can come to the repeat class Monday, 8:30 p.m. If you miss both the classes, you can watch class recordings from my website anytime that you want, isharamadushan.lk. There are so many options in my website. You can watch the missed class recordings, and also you can watch the previous lessons. You can lesson 1 එකේ ඉඳලා බලන්න පුළුවන් වෙනම අරගෙන. හරිද? And also, Buddha, each and every month I will be sending the tudes and if required papers or paper materials free of charge. I'm sending to your home each and every month. Our class fee is 2,000 rupees. Sorry. So our class fee is 2,000 rupees. For the class fee of 2,000 rupees, we are sending the tutorial to your home free of charge each and every month. In this tutorial, it consists of the things that I'm teaching in the class, the theory, and also A special tute means the exercises, extra exercises, and also the answers for them as well, each and every unit, right? So here it is tute number 4. Tute number 4 means tute that is regarded for the 4th month of the year. Again, April tute එක. tute delays ආයේ වෙන එකක් නැහැ. මොකද අපි ඒවට අවශ්‍ය විදිහට දාලා තියෙන some cut සමාන cut. හරි. Okay, we shall go to the next problem. So if you want to continue to come to our classes, you have to join this WhatsApp community that I am posting in the chat. Make sure to join with the WhatsApp community that I am posting in the chat. We will inform you everything in the chat. How to pay the class fee, what is the number you have to pay, send the receipt and everything. Make sure to join with the WhatsApp community. Yuri brother. Okay, let's go to the 14th question. Let's go to the 14th question. You need to express this as a binary number. Can you remember how to express a decimal number to a binary number? You need to convert a decimal number to a binary number. How to do that? All right. You have to divide. Hurry. 19 divided by 2. How many 2s for 19? 9, right? Hurry. 2 into 9, 18. So what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. 19 minus 18, 1. On the remainder, divide 9 by 2. How many 2s for 9? 4. 2 into 4, 8. What is the remainder? 1. 9 minus 8, 1. 4 divided by 2. How many 2s for 4? 2. What is the remainder? 0. No remainders. Again 2 divided by 2. How many 2s for 2? 1. What is the remainder? 0. හරි එහෙනම් පොතේ මෙන්න මෙතනින් ස්ටාර්ට් කරලා මෙහාට ලිව්වහම ඔයාලට මේකේ බයිනරි නම්බර් එක එනවා. So 10011 10011. Turn on the chat. Can you understand? Okay, let's go to the next problem. Fifteenth one. Write 1 over 3 of 9 meters in centimeters. 1 over 3 of 9 meters. If there is of, instead of x, you can put the multiplication sign. 9 meter. So you can simplify the make it simplify in No any common factors. Here there is a common factor 3. How many 3s for 3? 1. How many 3s for 9? 3. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 1, 1. So 3 over 1, 3 over 1 means 3. Alright. So the answer is 3 meters. 1/3 of 9 meters is 3 meters. In centimeters. It is asking from centimeters. So 3 meters. So we know 1 meter is 100 centimeters. 1 meter is 100 centimeters, no? So with 3 meters, instead of meters, I put 100 centimeters. Second meter කියන කෙනා වෙනුවට 100 centimeter දානවා. So 300 centimeters. All right. Puts equal signs here. Okay. We shall go to the 16th problem. AB is a straight line. AC equal DB. Show that AD equal CB. Axioms. Okay, so here it says AC equal DB. It says AB AC equal DB. Okay. In an equation, I can add the same value for the both the sides. So if I shall add CD for the both the sides. Right. What is the axiom theory for that? Totally unknown. Axiom number 2. Axiom number 2. All right. Axiom number 2. AC plus CD, it is AD. DB plus CD, it is DB. Okay. CB, sorry. CB. Axioms number 2. Let's go to the 17th problem. Okay, expand and simplify. X plus 5 into x plus 3. How to expand this? X multiplied by x square. X multiplied by plus 3. Sign conversion dannane. Plus into plus, it is plus. Minus into minus, it is plus. Plus into minus, it is plus into minus, it is minus. Minus into plus, it is minus. And මෙතන plus x in either plus x square plus x into 3 plus x into 3 3x. චල හිතන්න දෙයක් නෑ x into 3 3x. ඊට පස්සේ plus 5 into x, it is plus 5x. Plus 5 into plus 3. Plus 5 into plus 3. Plus into plus 5 into 3 50. X squared 3x plus 5x, it is 8x. plus 50. It's the answer. Turn on the chat. Can you understand? හරි මේක තමයි arrow method එකට කරා. Not sure. Okay. Let's go to the 18th one. Let's go to the 18th one. Substitution of values for algebraic expressions. Okay, A is half, B is minus 1 over 4 කියන්නේ. දැන් මෙතන මේ minus 1 over 4 කියන්නේ ඉතින් ඕක තමයි ඉතින් minus 1 over 4. හරිද? Okay, you need to substitute this value for 2A plus 4B. Okay. Instead of A, put half. So 2 into half plus 4 into B is minus 1 over 4. B is minus 1 over 4. Okay. You need to multiply 2 by half. So here, let me make a multiply. So answer is 1. All right. 1 plus. 4 into minus 1. මෙතන මේක හරේ ඉන්නේ එක පුතේ. පොඩ තේරුම් ගන්න ඕනේ. සමහරට තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. 4 into minus 1 it is minus 4. දැන් මෙතන මේක sorry. එච්චර ඕනේ නැහැ. ඔයාලා දැන් මේ 4 to 4 simplify. So here it is 1 plus into minus minus 1. 1 plus into minus minus 1. 1 minus 1 it is 0. Can you understand? Basic simplifications, Putay. If you multiply same signs, it is plus. If you multiply different signs, it is minus. Plus into minus, minus. Okay, we shall go to the 19th problem. 19th problem. Name the transversal of the given figure. මොකද පුතේ transverse line එක කියලා කියන්නේ? අපි මේක ඉගෙන ගන්නවා ඊළඟ පාඩම් සම්මන් කරේ නැහැ. හරි. හරි. මොන දැන් lines දෙකක් මොකක් හරි lines දෙකක් තියෙනවා නම් හරි. If I draw a line that intersects the both the lines, this is the transverse line. එතකොට දැන් මේකේ transverse line එක වෙන්නේ AB. Transverse line එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ lines දෙකක් intersect කරන line එකකට. So here the transverse line is AB. Alright. The line that is intersecting two lines, that is a transverse. The monthly income of a shop owner is 80,000. If he has to pay 1/4 of the amount of the as the rental, find the amount of the money remaining with him. Pute. Hurry, just find the rental amount. What is the rental amount? Okay, what is the rent? 1/4 of 80,000. 1/4 of 80,000. One over 4 into 80,000. So 20,000 is the answer. 80,000 divided by 4. No, 20,000 is rent. So in a remaining amount, $80,000 minus 20,000. It is 60,000. 60,000 is the answer. Remaining amount. එහෙම නැත්නම් දැන් 1/4 නම් rental එක එහෙනම් ඒකේ remaining portion එක වෙන්නේ 3/4 නේ පුතා. 1 minus 1/4. එහෙනම් 3/4 නේ. එහෙනම් මෙහෙ එකපාර හොයන්නත් තිබුණා. දැන් 3/4 into 80,000 කියලා. 60,000 කියලා එනවා. ඉතරවන්නේ නේද මෙහෙම හදන්න. Right, turn on the chat. Can you understand? Okay. $19 month. 19 month කියන එක ඒක lesson එකක්. ඉතින් ඒක lesson එක it's පුතා it's regarding the 8th lesson, right? We have to complete the 8th lesson and 9th one. හරි අපි ඒකෙදි කතා කරමු ඒක. Transverse line එක කියලා කියන්නේ the line which is intersecting two lines. හරි. The theory matter එක. Ramadana, turn on the chat for everyone. Put a heart to the chat if you could understand all the things that I taught you today. පුතා. අද වැඩේ ඔයාලට දෙයක් වුණාද? Revise වුණාද? Was it a good session for you guys? මතක් වුණාද ගොඩක් දේවල්? Tell me, Chuti. Could you remind a lot of things from the today's session? Okay. So all the new students, so if you want to join our class, you can join from here onwards, from the next month onwards. So you can pay the class fee from now because the tutor is ready. Right, and also, okay, Budhe, so see you. I will discuss the second paper on the next day, okay? Make sure to do and come. And also I will send the marking scheme for you. Don't worry, yeah. I will send the total marking scheme for you. Okay, but then see you soon.
It's been a loveless year. I'm a girl of three fears: integrity, faith, and crocodile tears. Trust me, darling. Trust me, darling.